Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So today we are at Walmart and we are looking at some Christmas decorations, okay? We have Christmas decorations from holiday time and from My Texas House, okay? And let me tell you, the My Texas House collection, oh my goodness, it is just so pretty to me. I have grown to love it so much, and they have so many great finds, as well as the holiday time collection. And I just wanted to show you guys so that you can start seeing what's in Walmart for Christmas. They have lots of options to choose from. I just think this stuff looks so good, and I'm so excited that they finally start putting the Christmas decorations out, okay? You might go to one Walmart store and you see a few things, and then you go to another one and there's a ton of things. So here we are so that you guys can see what's in store. If you're new here, you might not know it, but we like to vibe out. We like to listen to some music while we see what's in store and jot down what we want to go to the store and look at or buy. So yeah, just sit back, vibe out, and I'll pop back in between to let you know when I see something that I just have to tell you about.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
I've been seeing a lot of pretty bows and bells for Christmas this year, so if that's going to be your theme, you can drop a little bow in the comments, and if you're going to go with bells, you can drop a bell in the comments as well.
I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect.
These items are really cute, but I'm starting to notice one thing about myself. I don't usually put out different little Santa Claus or Mrs. Claus pieces whenever I decorate. Is that something that you guys usually do? I usually kind of keep it more simple and not really have a lot of that, but maybe it's something I might start incorporating. Let me know in the comments below if you guys usually get like some form of a Santa Claus and put out for Christmas.
First for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this look at what's in Walmart for Christmas so far this year. There's some Christmas stockings that they have in Walmart as well. You'll see those in just a second. But if you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone you know who likes to watch shopping videos too. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Thanks so much for watching.